Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Please, if you have not followed this page, sister, mama, auntie, papa, what are you waiting for? Please follow this page for more updates. As you do so, may God highly bless you. So guys, in today's video, as you can see, we are making okra soup. Yes, that's what I said. We are going to be making delicious okra soup. So in the beginning of the video, you see me wash my mama. The mama has already been washing the bowl, putting the bowl in the pot, and I seasoning it. And after that, you see me putting fish inside. So I've already blended my pepper, as you can see on the video. That was bell pepper, santarado, and onions. So here now, I put my oil, not too hot, guys, okay, and I put my blended pepper. All right, so here is my okra that we are using. So I blended some and I cut some. So this is the mama is ready. Neighbor here, I think, is ready, and I'm bringing out this fish. This fish is called melusa. Okay, guys, so this one I boil it and I'm going to pieces it, piecing able, remove all the removing able inside, then we'll use that later. So here is the stew. We are making the stew. As you can see, the stew is almost ready. You see how the oil don't they come out. If you see the aroma when they come out for inside my kitchen, everybody was asking, this woman has come again. What are you making? And I told them, my people, as you know now, we they cook and we they eat. So this is the stew. I've already put my seasoning and salt. Look at the oil. Oh my God, you can use this one to eat, right? So this one that I just put inside is called, what's it called again? Mushroom, something like that. I don't know. I bet I'm not gonna cut my tongue. And I put this, as you can see. Oh my God, the stew is very, very fine. You can even use this one to eat rice without you putting the okra. This one at the melusa, when I say I pieces enable, so I added it to my stew. Oh yeah, let's go, guys. So please, if you are watching this right now and you have not followed this page, waiting now, kilo day, kilo share, what is going on? Oh yeah, follow this page for more tips. So as you can see, I've already put my mama inside. Here is the next fish we'll be using. I'm going to be pieces enable. Remove all the removable. Okay, guys, look at this stew. It's yummy. You can use this one to eat rice, yam, spaghetti, anything. So this is our tilapia fish. I dried this in my oven. You can see it's very, very dried, guys. So I dried it so the fish not go pieceable, because this one me I no want make it pieceable. All right, guys, so let's go. And we covering it so all the stew will not go inside the fish. If you taste this my okra soup, you will lick your 5 fingers. So here is the okra, the one that I blended. Okay, so I put everything inside, turning it and turning the bowl. We are going somewhere. The soup is almost ready. Look at it, the aroma that is coming out from my kitchen. Oh my God, my children was asking, Mama, please, we are hungry. When is the soup is going to be ready? This is the okra that I slice. Okay, guys. This is so yummy. The children was crying, Mommy, please, when is the soup is going to be ready, neighbor? And I tell them, my children, be calming down. Here is the smoking fish that I made myself, and I'm putting it inside. The food, the soup is almost ready. You cannot cook okra soup without you putting crayfish. Crayfish na okra. When you use crayfish, they make your okra soup. You will lick your 5 finger. Look at this soup. Oh my God. Here is my spinach. This one and the last part. After you put in your spinach, just wait like 2 minutes and your soup is ready, neighbor. As you can see, I eat my own with wheat. Okay guys, so this is the end. Thank you for watching, and remember to follow for more. Thank you. Bye bye.